Well, after 9 days of being here in Esnes Dupe, we do have to move on. We've pushed it to the last minute and need to get over to Qingdao because we need to head to the marina. We will definitely miss this beautiful anchorage, but we'll be back for sure. The bad news today is there's no wind, and that makes it really hard to see any kind of reef. But the good news is it's not going to be big seas for us. Wow, look at the mountains. So beautiful today. Seven weeks ago we got here and we are back, ready to stage to head off to Turtle Bay and leave our boat. That's our last view of Qingdao Island for the next 6 weeks, 5-6 weeks. We are headed back to the United States for a visit with family, which we're really excited about. It's gonna be a motoring day. As you can see, the seas are completely flat, no wind. So we're figuring on about 7 hours of just motoring down the coast. Well done, sweetie. And away we go. Well, we really don't have any wind today, but we decided to put the main up to air out the sail. It's been 6 weeks since we flew her, so better to air it out and make sure everything's working before we get into the marina. It's a beautiful day out here, that's for sure. Smooth passages, give you the chance to do boat work.
Oh yeah, good chance to polish the boat jewelry.
We're coming into the marina. This is Turtle Cay, and it looks pretty straightforward. We just need to stay in the center of the channel. We were thrilled to learn about Turtle Cay Marina from our Sandblast cruising friends. At half the rate of Linton and Shelter Bay, this little marina is an up-and-coming star, offering great amenities including 2 pools, a restaurant, an on-site hotel, and free trips to and from Panama City. In addition to all this, you have access to walking trails, beaches, a local pair of sloths, and a troop of howler monkeys. There's plenty to keep you entertained and active. Free water is always good, and we are working hard to get the boat ready to leave for a month. One of the tasks that we always do is clamshell the outboard so that when we get back, the engine is happy. Soaking our scuba gear, cleaning everything out, giving the dinghy a good clean freshwater rinse as well. Let the scrubbing begin. It's finally raining and we're gonna test out to see how our waterproofing has gone up here in the helm station. So far everything looks really good here. And this we knew was gonna be the weak point. We've got water running here. But if the water is able to continue to run down and exit through the hole, we should be okay. But it does look like there's some buildup here because possibly the hole is blocked or not big enough. So water is coming on the outside, which is what we wanted to do. So this potentially could be the weak point right here. But everything else looks really good, looks dry. Oh no, how is this getting wet? No.
What's up? Maybe it's coming out of the ropes.
No, it's coming
Oh,
here.
you can see it. Look. So,
okay, so it's just, no, man.
So hold on.
We're gonna have to build a wall. We've been working so hard on the boat for the past day and a half that we haven't really gotten off it other than to do laundry. So we're saying goodbye to the boat for a little while and we're gonna go find the pool and check out the beaches. There are tons, we're like surrounded by beaches, which is gonna be really fun. So let's go. What?
Holes.
Oh man, if they were big enough.
Wow, look at this. This is so cool.
This is a great marina. This is the office, which houses the laundry room, the book exchange, showers, all that good stuff. And it's the cheapest laundry in town. Only $1 per load. That's unheard of anywhere else.
Not even worth doing yourself.
Yeah. They have a travel lift to pick up small monohulls. Wow. Wow, so sad. Look at all of this trash coming from the sea. That's marble.
It's marble.
Out of the ocean?
Big chunk of marble, yeah.
Wow.
So this is made out of calcium carbonate, so that's probably what dissolved to make room for all this.
So it's calcium veins. That's
Yeah. It is always the weakest part of the marble. Marble's a lot weaker than granite because of the structure.
Wow.
If it's going to break, it's going to break right along one of the veins.
Man, this is so cool. What do you think, babe? Loving it?
Absolutely. This is so cool. It's like a uncut gem, this place.
Yeah.
Which means it's precious, but not refined.
Your own personal kayak. That's pretty cool.
That is so cool.
Huh. We are getting ready to go to the airport in a few hours. Almost totally packed and ready to go. Bye, blown away.
Bye, Larry.
Only 4 hours of this, guys.